Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set screen lock on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on device unlock, then select screen lock. Now from here, just select the screen lock method which you like. You have the option of numeric, alphanumeric, and a pattern. For now, I will select numeric, then tap on next. Now from here, just create a 6-digit PIN, or you can tap on use a different password, and from here you have the option of 4-digit, 6 digits, or 4 to 16 digits. For now, I will select 4 digits. Now just create your PIN, then select use, then enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now if you want to set your fingerprint, just select enable. For now, I will select cancel, and once you have done that, you will successfully set a screen lock on your Oppo phone. And this is how you can set screen lock on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.